This video will teach you how to create categories. So the website has a menu system, and this menu system is broken down into different categories. So whenever we're creating different posts or courses, in this case, we are breaking them down and compiling them into different categories. So how do we create a category? So if you select post, and here we have category. If we select that, we come to a page where it allows you to create a category. So as we see here, the existing categories that I've created are already on a page, and you can see multiple pages. In case you want to find the particular one you want, don't forget to go to the next page. So in this case, if we create test page, test cat for test category, what we need to do is also create a slug. This slug will appear in the URL, so it will be smartfact/testcat. So when you're doing the slug, make sure you keep it lowercase, no spaces, and instead use underline. So as soon as you create these two, you have an option to create a description, and you can also have a parent category. So what happens is you have a main category, as you see here, and you have a second category which is underneath core skills. So if I select core skills, the test category will fall underneath the core skills and is signified by a dash right here. So in this case, we will create this as a standalone, so it does not fall within any of the main categories. Once you're happy with that, if you select add category, and we can find it here. There you go. So now you've added the category. We want to now, as we have here, if we go into display, we have a banner, and the banner has an icon for display. So we want to make sure that anything we create, we have a relevant banner to it. So as an example, we create this. The way we can add a banner is if you select edit, and within edit you have again the names and the slug, and if you go down here we have an upload button. So you can select that and then select the appropriate category. Let's just say it is, if you click on it once, it'll give you the name right here, and so forth. Data, let's just say for argument's sake this is a data course. You can see here data. You can select it here and press file, select file, and or the other option is to actually upload. So if you can click upload here, the second tab or the first tab, select that to select file, and it'll go into your file, and you can select whatever you want. In this case, we have the picture here. You select it. Once there's a tick here, you select file, and then when you're happy with that, just press update. So now we have created a category and we have assigned a picture. Next, we want to make sure that the test category appears where on the menu system on the page here. So now you go into appearance, which is here, and you select menu, and in the menu you will find the structure of the homepage menu system. Everything you see here is exactly what's reflected here. So whatever changes you make here will appear on the home page. So now we want to add this new category, which was test cat. You select category tab. If you select view all, and then go down until you find the test category, select it, add to menu. It should appear right here. Press save it, and it will save, and go back to your home page and refresh, and now you should see a new button saying test category. If you want to make it a part of a drop down, all you need to do is pull it to the right and it will automatically fall underneath whatever you want. So you can add it here, you can add it under here. As an example, let's save that. So under Studio, we've saved test category. So let's refresh that. So now we can go to Studio as soon as it loads, and the Studio's here, and you see, oh, it went, oh, sorry, I selected it. Studio test category is right here. So if you want to remove it, we go back to the button, we open the drop down right here, and we select remove, and we press save. So now that button should be removed from the Studio. So let's refresh that, and you can see here, Studio, it's gone. And if you want to remove the category completely, you go to category, post, and then category, and then you find the category, which should be maybe on the second page. There it is. Select, or you don't even need to select it, just hover on top, delete, press OK, and it's gone. That is how you create a post, add a picture, and add it to the menu system.